Yes. We are in the year 2020. We are in the year 2020. There are 12 months in a year. There are 12 months in a year. Shall we recap the months of the year with actions? Yes. Last week, ma'am taught you how to recap the months of the year with action. Yes, children? Ma'am will tell you one more time. Okay. Snap action for the months which has 31 days. Okay, children? And clap action for the months which has 30 days. And for February month, pat on shoulder, the month has 28 days, and in leap year which has 29 days. Okay, children? Shall we start? Yes. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Yes. Now we are in July month. Now we are in July month. July month is the 7th month of the year. July month is the 7th month of the year. Okay, children? Shall we go for the days of the week? Shall we recap? Yes. So now, shall we sing the rhyme for days of the week? Yes. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yes. Yesterday was Sunday. So today is Monday. Shall we write Monday? Yes. Yam. Yam. O. Yam. O. N. D. A. Y. Monday. Today is Monday. And tomorrow will be Tuesday. And tomorrow will be Tuesday. So now comes the date. Today's date is 6/7/2020. 6 is the date, 7 is July month, and 2020 is the year. Yes, children. Now we are going to update our weather. Shall we sing the weather song? Yes. You all sing along with me, but mute yourself. Okay, children? Yes. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it cloudy or windy? Yes. Children, everyone look outside your window and see to yourself. It is sunny or it is rainy or it is cloudy or it is windy. Yes, it is sunny day. Yes, thank you. Now ma'am is going to switch off my video. Okay, children? Yes. Yes, ma'am. Next slide. Yes. Today we have block 3 and the block name is My Family. Block 3, block name is My Family. In today's class, we have language time. In today's class, we have language time. We are going to recap the letter sounds G, O, U, L, F, and B. We are going to recap the letter sounds. Okay, children? Yes, over to Kirti, ma'am. Kirti, ma'am, are you there? Kirti, ma'am?
Okay. Okay, children. Jai Gurudev. Happy morning. I am Kirti. I'm your UKG teacher. Okay, children. Today we are going to recap the letters and its sound. Okay, children. Here comes the first letter. Here comes the first letter. Uppercase G, lowercase G. This is uppercase G. This is lowercase G. The sound of the letter G is G. G. The sound of the letter G is G. Yes, children. And the next letter, the name of the letter is O. The name of the letter is O. Uppercase O, lowercase o. This is uppercase O. This is lowercase o. The sound of the letter O is O. O. The sound of the letter O is O. And the next letter, the name of the letter is U. Uppercase U, lowercase u. Uppercase U. R. Puneet Kumar, UKGE. Kindly mute yourself, Kanna. Thank you. This is uppercase U and this is lowercase u. Okay, children? The sound of the letter U is A. The sound of the letter U is A. And here comes the next letter. The name of the letter is L. This is uppercase L. This is lowercase l. This is uppercase L. This is lowercase l. The sound of the letter L is L. The sound of the letter L is L. Okay, children? And here comes the next letter. The name of the letter is F. Uppercase F, lowercase f. This is uppercase F. This is lowercase f. The sound of the letter F is yes, children. And the next letter, the last letter, the name of the letter is P. This is uppercase B. This is lowercase b. This is uppercase B. This is lowercase b. The sound of the letter B is B. The sound of the letter B is B. Okay, children. Now we are going to see with the pictures. Now ma'am is going to turn off my video. Okay, children. Now we learn the letters and its sound. Yes. Yes, over to Ranjini ma'am.
Now we are going to see the pictures. Yes. The first letter, letter G. The first letter is letter G. The name of the letter is G. The sound of letter G is G. 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 Now we are going to see the pictures that begins with G sound. Okay, children? Yes. The first picture, goat. Goat. The second picture, grapes. Grapes. Grapes is a fruit. Yes, children? Yes. The third picture, Goa. Goa. Goa is also a fruit. So, you all must eat fruits. Yes, children? Yes. The fourth picture, grass. Grass. Yes. Now, children, mute yourself and repeat after ma'am. Okay, children? The name of the letter is G. The name of the letter is G. The sound of letter G is G. 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 Yes. Now we are going to see the pictures that begins with G sound. First picture, goat. Goat. The second picture, grapes. Grapes. The third picture, Goa. Goa. Fourth picture, grass. Grass. So children, the name of the letter is G and the sound of letter G is G. G. Here comes the next letter. Yes. The name of the letter is O. The name of the letter is O. The sound of letter O is O. 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 Yes. Now we are going to see the pictures that begins with O sound. Okay, children? First picture, octopus. Octopus. The second picture, ox. Ox. The third picture, orange. Orange. Orange is also a fruit. Fourth picture, ostrich. Ostrich. Now children, mute yourself and repeat after me. Okay. Name of the letter is O. The sound of letter O is O. O. Now we are going to see the pictures that begins with O sound. Okay, children? The first picture, octopus. Octopus. The second picture, ox. Ox. The third picture, orange. Orange. The fourth picture, ostrich. Ostrich. So we have seen 4 pictures that begins with O sound. Okay, children? Here comes the next letter. The name of the letter is U. The name of the letter is U. The sound of letter U is A. Yes. Now we are going to see the pictures that begins with a sound. Okay, children. First picture, underwater. Underwater. The second picture, upstairs. Upstairs. The third picture, umbrella. Umbrella. The fourth picture, umpire. Umpire. Yes. Now children, mute yourself and repeat after me. The name of the letter is U. Sound of letter U is Now we are going to see the pictures that begins with a sound. First picture, underwater. Underwater. The second picture, upstairs. Upstairs. The third picture, umbrella. Umbrella. The fourth picture, umpire. Umpire. Name of the letter is U. Sound of letter U is A. Here comes the next letter. The name of the letter is L. The name of the letter is L. The sound of letter L is L. L. Now we are going to see the pictures that begins with L sound. Okay, children? The first picture, lake. Lake. The second picture, lollipop. Lollipop. The third picture, leaf. Leaf. The fourth picture, lemon. Lemon. So now children, mute yourself and repeat after me. Okay children? Yes. The name of the letter is L. The name of the letter is L. The sound of letter L is L. L. Now we are going to see the pictures that begins with L sound. Okay children? The first picture, lake. Lake. Second picture, lollipop. Lollipop. The third picture, leaf. Leaf. The fourth picture, lemon. Lemon. Yes. The name of the letter is L. The sound of letter L is L. L. Here comes the next letter. The name of the letter is, next letter. The name of the letter is F. The name of the letter is F. The sound of letter F is F. Now we are going to see the pictures that begins with F sound. Okay children? The first picture, food. Food. Don't waste your food children. Okay, don't waste your food. The next picture, family. Family. The next one, fan, fan. The next one, flower, flower. So now, children, now mute yourself and repeat after ma'am. Okay, children. The name of the letter is F. The sound of letter F is F. First picture. Now we are going to see the pictures that begins with F sound. First picture, food. Food. The second picture, family. Family. The third picture, fan. Fan. The fourth picture, flower. Flower. Yes, children. So name of the letter is F. Sound of letter F is F. Here comes the next letter. The name of the letter is B. The name of the letter is B. The sound of letter B is B. B. Now we are going to see the pictures that begins with B sound. Okay, children? First picture, B bus. B bus. Second picture, B butterfly. B butterfly. The third picture, B bin. B bin. See, children, we have to always keep our place neat and clean. Okay, children? Yes. The fourth picture, bat. Moshika of UKGF, kindly mute yourself. Thank you. Fourth picture, bat. Bat. Now, children, mute yourself and repeat after ma'am. The name of the letter is B. The sound of letter B is B. Now we are going to see the pictures that begins with B sound. The first picture, B bus. B bus. The second picture, B butterfly. B butterfly. Third picture, B bin. B bin. Fourth picture, B bat. B bat. Name of the letter is B. Sound of letter B is B. Now Kirti ma'am is going to do an activity. Over to Kirti ma'am.
Thank you, Ranjini ma'am. Yes, children, just you have to listen carefully, okay? After the session, you can do in your notebook and send in WhatsApp group. Now you have to listen carefully, okay? We have to match the uppercase letter to the lowercase letter in each row, okay? This is we called a row, okay, children? So now we have to match the uppercase letter to the lowercase letter. Shall we do? Yes, children. Please listen carefully, okay? The first letter is uppercase G. The first letter is uppercase G. So now we have to match to lowercase G. Okay, shall we do? Where is lowercase G? Yes, last. Yes, this is the lowercase G. Uppercase G to the lowercase G. Okay, children? And the next letter O. The next letter O. This is the uppercase O. So now we have to match to the lowercase o. Shall we do from uppercase O to lowercase o? Shall we match? Yes. Yes, uppercase O, lowercase o. Okay, children. And the next letter L. This is uppercase L. So we have to match with the lowercase L. Yes, this is lowercase L, children. Shall we match? Yes, from uppercase L to lowercase L. Superb. And the next letter U, uppercase U, and we have to match with the lowercase u. Okay, from uppercase U to we have to match the lowercase u. Shall we match? Yes. This is uppercase U, this is lowercase u. And the next letter F. This is the uppercase F. So now we have to match with the lowercase f. Shall we do, children? Yes. Uppercase F to lowercase f. And the last letter, this is uppercase B. So we have to match with the lowercase b. Okay, children? From uppercase B to the lowercase b. Yes? Yes, children. After the session, you have to do in your notebook and send in WhatsApp group. Okay, children? Now we are going to do another activity. Just you have to listen carefully. Okay, children? Just you have to listen carefully. Okay? Yes. This is the, in first column, they are the letters. Yes? Lowercase letter G, lowercase letter O, lowercase letter U, lowercase L, lowercase f, and lowercase letter b. Yes, children? Now, in second column, there is the pictures. Shall we recap? What are the beginning sound of those pictures? Shall we do? Yes. Pin. B. Bin. P. Pin. The next picture. G. Goat. G. Goat. And the third picture. Lollipop. Lollipop. Fourth one. Oh, octopus. Oh, octopus. Fifth one. Umbrella. Umbrella. The last one. Flower. Flower. Yes, children. B. Bin. G. Goat. L. Lollipop. Octopus. Umbrella. Flower. Yes. Now we are going to see the picture, beginning sound of the pictures in third column. Shall we see? Yes. The first picture, leaf. 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 And the next picture, patch. Patch. And the third picture, grapes. Grapes. And the fourth picture, up. Up. The fourth picture, up. And the fifth picture, fan. Fan. Ox. Ox. Yes, children? Okay, now what we have to do? We have to draw a line that to the things that begins with the same sound. Okay, children? Here the first letter G. The sound of the letter G is G. So we have to see the pictures which begins the G sound. Okay, children? In second column, G. Goat. G. Goat. Yes, children? In third column, we have to check the picture which begins with the G sound. Yes, children? G. Grapes. G. Grapes. So we have to draw a line from letter G to G, goat, and then G, grapes. Okay, children? Shall we do next letter? Yes. The next letter is O. The next letter is O. The sound of the letter O is O. O. So we have to match the pictures that begins with O sound. Okay, children? Yes, here octopus. Octopus. And octopus. In third column, see which pictures begins with O sound. Check where it is. Yes, at the last. Ox. So now what we have to do? We have to draw a line from O octopus and from octopus to ox. Yes, children? Octopus. Ox. And the next letter U. The
Kids,
sound
ma'am,
of the
8 minutes
yes,
more.
yes, ma'am.
8 minutes more.
Okay. The sound of the letter U is A. A. So we have to match the pictures that begins with a sound. Okay, children? See, in the second column, which pictures begins the A sound? Yes. Umbrella. Umbrella. And the next, in third column, which picture begins with the A sound? Up. 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 Yes, children. Now we have to draw a line from letter U to umbrella. Umbrella, and from umbrella to up, because these two pictures begins with a sound. Okay, children. And the next letter L. The sound of the letter L is ill. So we have to match the pictures that begins with ill sound. So lollipop. Lollipop. In third column, the first picture leaf. Leaf. So we have to draw a line from L to lollipop and from lollipop to leaf. Yes, children? And the next letter F. The sound of the letter F is. So we have to match the picture that begins with F sound. Okay, children? See the last picture. Flower. Flower. And then third column, fan. Fan. So we have to draw a line from letter F to flower and fan. Both flower and fan begins with sound. Sound. Okay, children? And the next letter P. So we have to match the pictures. Draw a line to the pictures that begins with B sound. Okay, children? Pin. Pin. In third column, bat. Bin. Bat. So we have to draw a line from letter B to bin and from bin to bat. Okay, children? Bat and bin begins with the B sound. Okay, children? I hope you all understood. Okay? Today what we learned? Children? We learned the letters G, O, U, L, F, B. Yes, and its sound. And we did an activity. We matched the uppercase letter to the lowercase letter. And we have another activity. What we did? We matched the activity that begins with we match the pictures that begins with the same sound. Yes, children? No, wait. So now ma'am is going to give a star. For what, children? Because you listen carefully. Yes. You listen, you did not disturb the class. That's why ma'am is now going to give a star